Hello everyone, how is it going? Today we're going to learn some colors and shapes names. So let's start. There are three primary colors: red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow are primary colors. When you mix two primary colors, you get a secondary color. For example, if you mix yellow and red, you get orange. Now, let's mix some colors. Red and yellow make orange. Red and blue make purple. Blue and yellow make green. So we get three secondary colors. Here are some colors names. Listen and repeat. Red, red. Yellow, yellow. Blue, blue. Green, green. Pink, pink. Purple, purple. White, white. Orange, orange. Gray, gray. Brown, brown. Black, black. Task number 1, try to find the right words or the right colors. Here are the answers. Task number 2, match the colors with the words. Check your answers here. In the second part, we're going to learn some shapes names. Circle, circle. Rectangle, rectangle. Square, square. Star, star. Heart, heart. Diamond, diamond. Last activity, read and choose the right answer. So the answers: what's this? It's circle. What color is it? It's red. What's this? It's a triangle. What color is it? It's yellow. What's this? It's a square. What color is it? It's green. I've come to the end of my lesson, so thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Goodbye.